I'm Marla Barnes, publisher of the Hydro Group for Penwell, and here are this week's Hydro headlines. Starting off in Asia this week, the last generating unit of China's 5.85 gigawatt Huaneng Nuozadu project is now in operation. The project is located in the Yunnan province on the Longkang River and is China's fourth largest. The plant's powerhouse includes 9 650 megawatt generating units, the first of which was put into operation in September of 2012. Its operators say the project's dam is the third highest in the world and that its spillway is number one in the world in terms of flood discharge and flow velocity. The plant is part of China's initiative of making the Yunnan province a power exporter for the surrounding areas. Now in the United States, Voith Hydro was awarded a $47.2 million contract by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to refurbish 3 turbine generators at the Center Hill Dam in Tennessee. The last of the 3 units was put into operation in 1951 and together have a cumulative output capacity of 135 megawatts. Now the work is included with the Voith contract to replace runners, wicket gates, generator stator windings, also refurbishment of servo motors and the unit braking system, restacking of existing generator iron, and installation of a vibration monitoring and high-pressure thrust-bearing oil lift systems. Voith Hydro's work is part of the Corps' ongoing rehabilitation of Center Hill Dam, which has previously included the construction of a concrete seepage barrier and reinforcing of an earthen saddle dam. Now, during HydroVision 2014, there will be a special tour of Center Hill Dam. Several of you have already signed up for that, so we're looking forward to that. Now moving north to Canada, Innergex Renewable Energy has completed their acquisition of a 30.5 megawatt Sainte-Marguerite 1 plant from the Hydro Mega Group. Located in Quebec, the project was originally commissioned in 1993 with one 8.5 megawatt turbine. 2 additional turbine units were installed in 2002, raising the plant's output capacity to its current level. Energy generated by the facility is sold under 2 fixed-price, 25-year power purchase agreements with Hydro-Quebec, each of which carries a renewable option for an additional 25-year term. Sainte-Marguerite is one of several plants Innergex expressed an interest in obtaining back in July of 2012. And last this week, HydroVision International is again pleased to host a number of co-located events and workshops during the annual conference and exhibition. Now, one of those is VibroSystem's Machine Condition Monitoring course. This 2-day workshop takes place Monday, July 21st and Tuesday, July 22nd. And it's perfect for power generation personnel, including utility decision makers, plant managers, engineers, and operations and maintenance professionals. In fact, several of those utility representatives have already enrolled in the course. The course will address various monitoring issues based on experience gained through VibroSystem's 25 years in the field, showing utilities how to avoid forced outages and to better manage and maintain their assets. Now, topics include integrated monitoring platforms, air gap, shaft vibration, magnetic flux, rotor pole, joint temperature, and blade tip clearance will also be discussed, making this monitoring course a must-attend event for those refurbishing or working on hydrogenerator turbine units. Now, registration is still available, but the space is limited, so go ahead and check that out right now at www.hydroevent.com and click on the Register tab. Well, that's it for this news week. We want you to watch this newscast each and every week, brought to you by Hydro Consulting and Maintenance Services. Now, of course, to learn more about Hydro Consulting and Maintenance Services, stop by booth number 1000 at HydroVision International for a special exhibitor showcase that they're doing. They're doing that on Wednesday, July 23rd at 9:15 and Thursday, July 24th at 10:30, both in the morning. Now, all attendees will also be placed in a drawing for a week at a beachfront condo in Florida. So check that out at HydroVision International. And be sure to connect to us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter for even more ways to interact with hydroworld.com.